Uh, Hello everybody, my name is Andrei Tsvetkov, and I will record the small review of the USB soldering iron. I have bought it in online store chairbest.com by $6 cost. So this is package, the back side of the package. So let's unpack it. So what this is unpacked. This is the soldering iron. This is the soldering iron. Please note, do not be attention while taking off this plastic hood, because please remain this disc on the soldering iron, because it fixate the sting to the soldering iron, and without this metal disc, soldering iron will not work. This is a small button. You should press it to start work. This is the jack, like audio jack. You should connect it to the power cable. This is a power cable. This is USB cable, and this is audio jack cable, like audio jack. This is soldering alloy. This alloy I have bought separately, and this is like, I don't know it in English. In Russian it подставка. Holder. Let's use this word holder. For example, how it works. Let's use it. For example, so you should connect this is a Samsung power bank. This is a charge adapter. Okay, you see 0 ampere. So you should touch this button, and this LED to turns on. You see, 1.2624 amperes, 4.85 volts. So the main lack of the soldering iron, because it is very fast turns off. But if you need to solder any for example cables and connectors, you should touch this. You should touch this button, and the soldering iron will turn on the next time. This is my that's all that I wanted to tell you. This is my first review. Please forgive me for my bad English and I have no experience with reviewing online goods. Okay.